Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sneha and today I'm going to recreate the makeup I had in the video where I did my mom's makeup. So it was the mature skin makeup tutorial, the glam version, and a few of you guys wanted me to recreate the makeup I had on. So if you'd like to learn how to create this look, please stay tuned. So I've already primed my eyelids with the Viziate eye primer. As a transition eyeshadow, I'm going into my Natasha Denona Star palette and using this tan peachy shade called Flesh, which is just a warm toned peachy brown. So use anything that's slightly warmer than your skin tone as a transition shade. Then I'm going into the Pat Mcgrath Labs Mothership palette. This is volume 3 called the Subversive palette. And I'm using the dark matte brown shade from this palette called Deep Shade. Feel free to use any neutral dark brown eyeshadow here. And I'm going to apply this into the crease of my eye. To apply both these shades, I'm using the Wayne Gauze brush number 17. And to further deepen up and get it closer to my socket, I'm going in with the smaller brush by Sigma. It's the E47 brush, and I'm just going back in with that dark brown shade just to deepen up my socket. Then with the same brush, I'm running the same eyeshadow along the lower lash line, connecting it at the outer corner of my eye. I'm also bringing this brown shade on the outer V of my eye, so just packing it again with that small Sigma brush and then blending it towards the lid. So it's going to create this elongated shape at the outer corner of the eye. Next, to apply the lid eyeshadow, I'm using this flat brush by Bdellium Tools. It's the number 772 small shader brush, so use any densely packed flat shader brush. And I'm going in with the shade Skin Show Fever from the same palette, the Pat Mcgrath one. And this is just a champagne-y gold kind of a shade, so just feel free to switch up and use anything in your collection. It should be a shimmery eyeshadow. You can also switch this up for any face highlighter that you may have that has the same champagne-y gold undertone. So I'm packing it on to the mobile eyelid, taking it 3/4 of the way, and then I'm going back in with that small Sigma brush and blending out the edges in my crease and also in the outer corner. Next, I used the Natasha Denona Holiday palette, which was Joya, and then I'm going to use this middle stunning gold shade as my inner corner highlight. So again, feel free to switch this up and use a shimmery yellow gold eyeshadow. And to deepen up the outer corner of my eye, I'm going in with the black eyeshadow from the Pat Mcgrath palette. It's called Extreme Black. It's a beautiful black eyeshadow. So I'm just taking it again on that smaller Sigma brush, just applying it almost like an eyeliner, but just on the outer corner of the eye, and taking it slightly onto the bottom lash line as well, just on the outer corner. And then just blending it out with the Wayne Gauze brush number 17. And that creates a little bit of smokiness on the outer corner. Once that's done, it's time for mascara. For my bottom lashes, I'm using the MAC Extended Play Gigablack Lash Mascara. And then for my top lashes, I'm using the new Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes Volume 2 Mascara. On my cheeks, I have the Milani, Baked Powder Blush in the shade Luminoso, which is this beautiful shimmery coral color, I would say, or peachy color. It looks like that. And on my lips, I didn't remember exactly what I had on, but today I have a combination of the Smashbox lip liner in the shade Figgy, which is a beautiful mauve pink color. So I love it on its own, but to make it more peachy, I went over it with the ColourPop, blotted lip in the shade Candy Floss. So this is what that looks like. And that's it. That is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, especially those of you who had asked for this. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit that like button and also consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me.